Welcome back to my studio. I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Those of you that don't know me, my name is Carly and I have partnered with Handcrafted Supply to bring you a series of macrame wall hanging tutorials. To be turning this sparkly goodness into this. Oh, beautiful, right? As you know, your frame is going to come plain, so feel free to get super creative with how you want to decorate yours. Obviously, I had a little fun with the sparkles on mine, but you don't even have to paint yours. You could, decorate it with buttons that you have laying around at home. You could decorate it with garland that you have at home. Anything that you have is perfect. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, you're going to find the center of one of your 75-inch red cords. Drop down about 7 to 8 inches on the left side, so your right side's longer, and begin by making a lark's head knot. Pull the loop towards the back and come around to the front. Pull the legs through the loop that you've just created. Dropping down that 8 inches, use your cord to go through the frame. Come towards the front on the left side. Pull around. Bring the loop behind the frame and pull towards the front through the loop you've just created and tighten to create your knot. Next, we're going to be attaching our 52-inch red cords using a reverse lark's head knot. Bring the knot from behind towards the front, pull down and pull the legs through the loop you've just created. Repeat this step 10 more times until you have 11 cords attached. Using that extra cord you have at the top, we're going to be making a row of clove hitch knots. Taking your working cord from behind and wrap it on top and come out the left. Repeat this step twice per cord until you've reached all the way to the other side. Using that extra cord you have on the right, we're going to do the exact same thing going the other direction. Bring your working cords up from underneath, bring on the top and towards the right. Again, repeat this step twice per cord until you've reached all the way to the other side. Repeat this exact same process, starting with your other 75-inch red cord. Now you're going to take your 120-inch green cord and attach it to your frame the exact same way we did with our red ones. Then you'll take all 13 of your 70-inch green cords and attach them the same exact way you did with your red using a reversed lark's head knot. Next, you will be making 2 rows of clove hitch knots. Starting at the left, you will go 13 cords down. Then again, you will do that same process on the right, going 13 cords down until both of those rows are met in the middle. Repeat the same exact process on each side, starting at the top for each side and then meeting in the middle. To create our diamond, we will just continue that row 4 cords down on the left, and then you will repeat that process on the right, 4 cords down. To close our diamond, we will begin by taking our center cords and angling them down until we meet in the middle. And the last step in our process is creating 1 more row of clove hitch knots until you meet in the middle. The last step in our process is trimming. I prefer to lay mine flat on a table or any flat surface that I have, just so I can get the trim that I'm looking for. Do feel free to get crazy with your design, or you can do exactly as I'm doing here. That's it, you guys. That is all it takes to create your very own macrame wall hanging. You should be so proud of yourself today. You learned a new skill and executed perfectly. Way to go. Be sure to tag us in your creation at The Knotted Cat and Handcrafted Supply on Instagram and Facebook. Until next time, bye.